Hey guys, I'm Maximum Pain and welcome to my video. Today I'll be sharing with you my special software that I've created, the Noxium iqoption trading robot. As you can see, I'm currently on the iqoption website. I have a demo account. We're gonna have 10k to play around with. Now I have two versions of the software of the trading robot. It's a free version and a light version. The light version costs $30. You can buy it through PayPal, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. You can click on the link in the description to go to the website. We are going to the website. Click on the link in the description. As you can see, this is the rope: fast, short, automated, profitable, and emotionless trading. That's what's the Noxium trading robot is. Right, there's two versions: the free version and the light version. We're gonna go with the free version for now. It's actually free to download, okay? It only trades with the demo account, so that means you cannot use it with real money. It will not work. There's fixed trading amounts and times, so you can't choose your own times and you can't choose your trading amounts. And fixed profit amount on win is fixed, so you can't change that as well. And it's only binary 1-minute trading available. So you can only choose assets from the binary category, which is this category here. All these, the binary. That's what this robot is, the binary. Anyway, let's go ahead and download it. Okay, I'm going to download it right now. Here it is. And it's done. Okay, I have it on my desktop. Here it is, Noxium free. It's actually 19.1 megs, okay? Make sure you install it. Click next. This is the license that you have to agree upon. That it's not related to iqoption itself. It's its own entity. And by using this robot, you're not holding the makers of this program responsible for any loss of profits that you make. It's entirely up to you. And you may need Python to use the software. If the software does not work, you need to download Python and then run this program and use it at your own risk. Next. Okay. We don't launch it, because if we launch it, it's going to crash. We have to launch it as an admin, okay? So I'm going to push the shortcut here soon. Is there Noxium free? Is it there? Okay. Put that there. Okay. Noxium free. I'm gonna run it as admin. Here it goes. Okay. Running at this moment. It is there. It is there. Yes, right. We need to enter our iqoption email or password. Don't worry, this is totally safe. There's no phishing going on of stealing of your information. We're just using your information to log in into the server to trade. So you have to pass. So I'm going to log into my server that we're going to be trading with today, my user account. The password does not show safety, but it's typing in there and you just hit enter. It's connecting into the iqoption servers and it's fetching the balances from your account. So I have 10,000. Yes, I have 10,000 my demo account here. Note this is the free version that we're using, eh? Let's start the robot, eh? Okay. I'm going to hit enter. The asset that we're going to trade, I think we could trade the Euro USD, okay? Let's trade that. It's not weekend, so it's not OTC. You just type in U. If it's weekend, you do type it as that. If it's not weekend, you hit it as that. Only for these pairs of currencies indexes. Let's hit it. And it started. We started off with 10,000. We now have, sorry about that. Now have 9988 according to the profit with 0. We're making $25 profits. We're trading Euro USD. We're making $12 profits on a profit of 25 in stock. We're trading put now. 41 seconds, and there's our trade right now. Okay, let's see how it goes. Oh ho ho. Oh, so we're losing currently. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. 30 seconds left, and you're going to end this trade. Let's see. So this robot will end on a profit of $25. Okay. Currently, we're at zero profit. Okay. We're currently at zero profit. Okay. Let's see what happens there. And voila, we win the trade. Okay, I think this thing is lagging. It is 3-2, still 2 seconds behind, and then we won the trade. Now we have 998. We made a profit of $10 so far, so we're almost there. Let's see the next trade. Oh, it's going in our favor. That's awesome. Let's see there. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, we're staying stuck in the middle. Oh, but it wants to go up. It wants to go up, but it wants to go down as well. So let's see. Oh, looks like we're losing this trade. Oh, we're coming back. We're coming back. Oh, we're losing it again. We're coming back. Yes, we're winning. 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 Oh, we're losing. We're losing. We're winning. And we win the trade. Alright, 2 seconds, 1 second. Oh, 10,030. We're on $20 profit, so we need $5 profit more. So if we win one more trade, we shall make the profit according to, this is the free version name. Looks like we're stuck in the middle for this trade. Let's see what's happening here. And we're winning, we're winning. Oh, we're losing, losing, winning, winning. Oof, now we're losing, definitely losing now. Oh, we're making it back, we're making it back. Oh, what the hell happened there? And we lost that trade. That's okay for the robot. According to the strategy, we make back the losses back on the next trade. So now we're trading $30. No more 12. Okay, and we're trading up this time. Let's have to here. Oh, so far so good. We're currently on a profit of $8. Yeah. Oh, you're doing pretty awesome. This is emotionless. Okay, you could say it's emotions, but you're not trading on any emotion. It's all automated using this beautiful robot. Click the link in the description if you haven't. That's where you can download the robot for free, and the light version where you can buy for $30. And we win the trade. Let's see. I think the robot has ended now. And we are done. We made $10,033 from 10,000. We started an amount of 10,000. We have 10,033 now in our demo account. We made a profit of 33. 3 wins, 1 losses, 75 accuracy. That really doesn't matter. All really matters is the profit. So that's the robot in a glance. Now, please go. I'm going to make a new video soon, but this is the free version. You can go here, download it for free. Okay, I'll know if you downloaded it. There's a free version. It's one-time download. I want to see that go up, please. Okay, then there's the light version. Let's look at the light version. I'm not going to carry it out today, but I'm just going to tell you about it. It costs $30 through PayPal, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. You can trade with real money on your real account. You can choose 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You can choose your own trading amount, set your own profit stop loss. Only binary trading is available in the light version. There's a safety algorithm that prevents using huge amounts, and it gives tips on huge amounts to choose. You can go here, click the link, buy it for $30, and I'll send you the software. Thank you for watching. Please share this video and try out the robot now on your demo account. Thank you.